In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to connect Metatrader 4 and Metatrader 5 to Tradingview in 2025. Let's get started. Step 1 is to open Tradingview and access the trading panel. Go to Tradingview and log in. Click on the trading panel. At the bottom, you'll see a list of supported brokers, but Metatrader is not directly available for trading. 2 is to connect via supported broker. Click Open Account and choose a broker that supports Tradingview. Sign up for an account with the broker. Link your MT4 or MT5 account through the broker's integration option. Step 3 is to use Tradingview for charting and execution. After linking, you can execute trades directly through Tradingview. You can still use MT4 or MT5 for expert advisors like EAS and other features while benefiting from Tradingview's advanced charting tools. That's it. While direct MT4 and MT5 trading isn't available, using a supported broker lets you access Tradingview's powerful tools. If this guide helped, like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.